How do you be transparent about what data you're collecting? How do you make sure that people are in control of their own data? How do you make sure that people have the choice to allow their data to be used or not as they see fit? Those are the principles that have been true for decades, and they're still true. And the challenge for all of us in the field is, how do we make sure that those principles continue to be respected, continue to be applied, even when technology changes every year?
I think the biggest single change that we see in the GDPR is that it's brought in an overarching principle of accountability. And what that means is that organisations themselves have to take responsibility in terms of ensuring they have a legal basis for collecting and processing data. They must be responsible for ensuring they're giving clear, concise and intelligible information to users of their services so that they understand A, that their data is being collected, and B, what uses it's being put to.
Die größte Herausforderung besteht darin, dass Datenschutz von Anfang an mitgedacht wird. Und deswegen halte ich es für so wichtig, dass wir jetzt in der DSGVO die Prinzipien Privacy by Design und Privacy by Default verankert haben. Und wir müssen sehen, in welcher Art und Weise wir diese Prinzipien nun tatsächlich mit Leben füllen können.
Because we can write as many laws as we want, but when it comes to actually making the data-driven economy work, it has to work for people in a real way.
Data has become absolutely fundamental to our economies. There's no doubt about it. Pretty much everything in the world is now running on data. And the ability to get that right means that people can develop new services, build innovative new things, just advance the ball. There's a lot of competition going around in the world on building new services, being innovative, and figuring out how to do that while respecting privacy is the big challenge. And that's really the topic here today.
This is my first time at the Bitkom Conference. I've heard about it for many years, and I'm honestly really pleased. I've just been speaking with a lot of other fellow participants who have all said the size of the conference is perfect, it's intimate, you have a chance to speak with people, and I think the panels so far have been terrific, so I'm really happy to be here.